Ang Red Start Construction Services ay nagsimula noong February 14, 2007 sa Port Moresby, Papua New Guinea. At noong 2015, since ang owner ng Red Start Construction Services ay Pilipino, nag-decide na rin ang kumpanya na i-penetrate at mag-branch out sa Pilipinas. And now having 12 branches serving our clients nationwide. Mula noong 2007 ay nakagawa na ng mahigit 1,000 residential houses, commercial buildings, resort infrastructures, and industrial establishments sa kumpanya natin. Nakagawa na rin kami ng sarili naming hardware, glass and aluminum workshops, at gawaan ng doors at cabinet. At nagsimula na rin kami na bumuo ng aming sariling design. At sasabi natin na sa pamamagitan ng mga nagawa namin ay unti-unti na namin naaabot ang aming mission and vision statement. Red Start Construction Services is a design and build maintenance and construction firm that aims to build for innovation and quality. The company's mission is to provide affordable and quality residential houses, commercial establishment, resort infrastructures, and industrial buildings na walang delay, walang variations, at libre yung design plans at pag-aayos ng building permit. We are envisioned to become credible, reliable, and successful customer-oriented construction firm that will satisfy the benchmark and standard of every client via our high-caliber level of services. Our company recognizes the value of satisfied customers, the value of repeat business, and the value of positive references. Our company is bringing its wealth of engineering and construction expertise to develop infrastructures aimed at further propelling the Philippine nation forward into the new millennium and beyond.
Hello mga ka-homies, ako nga pala si Engineer Jonathan, ang isa sa project engineer ng Red Start Construction Services. Excited to start your construction journey? We're here to make it easier for you with our pre-estimation and scope of works. Ibig sabihin, walang bayad kung magkano ang kailangan mo at kung anong dapat gawin sa project mo. We'll provide you a detailed breakdown of the cost and what's involved, so you can plan ahead without any surprises. At hindi lang yan, kulang or tight sa budget, mapag-uusapan natin yan. Build your space now and pay later, para sa mapadali ang lahat. Oo, tama ang narinig mo. You can start your dream project without worrying about immediate payments. Kaya wala nang dahilan para ipagpabukas pa ang iyong construction plans. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. With Red Start, you have the support and flexibility to turn your dreams into reality.
Hello mga ka-homies! Ako po si Engineer May, isa sa engineers ng Red Start Construction Services. As a female engineer, mahirap talagang makahanap ng company na aalagaan at susuportahan tayo. Pero dito sa Red Start, nabigyan ako ng chance para mag-handle ng mga gandang projects. So kung gusto niyo ng quality construction na may puso at dedication, Red Start Construction ang sagot. Tara, sama-sama tayong magtayo ng maganda at mas mabuting na komunidad. Thank you, and let's keep building a brighter future together.
Hi homies! Need a plan for your dream project? Here in Red Start Construction Services, architectural plans are free at kami na ang bahala sa permits. No hidden fees. I'm Maureen. I'm a proud female architect in training here in Red Start. Hindi pa man ako licensed, nakagawa na ako ng 3 residential project with guidance and approval of our senior licensed architect, and clients are happy about it. What makes Red Start different? Dito, apprentice like me gets real opportunities to grow, not just fill desk work. Kaya sa amin, ang bawat isa ay may mahalagang bahagi sa paglikha ng mga gandang proyekto. Tara! Let's build your dream project together with Red Start.
Hello mga ka-homies! Kami lang yata ang construction company na may admin na sumasagot kahit anong oras, 24/7. And if you're looking for credit term, don't worry. Dito sa Red Start, mabilis ang response, walang paligoy-ligoy, and approve agad. We make it easy for you to get started on your project. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the details in building your dream home.
Hello po, ako po si Arnel San Esteban. Nagsimula po ako sa Red Start Construction noong 2020 bilang isang construction worker. Noon ang alam ko lang po sa site ay mga simpleng gawain nang dahil sa pagtiwala ni Engineer Ed nagkaroon ako ng chance para mag-grow bilang isang maging general foreman. Kaya malaki po ang naitulong sa akin po. Mataas na ang position ko at pati na po ang aking sahod. Sa Red Start, binibigyan kanila ng pag-asa at oportunidad para umasenso.